A year back, I filed a PIL in the Supreme Court exposing corruption in the health sector, supported with a CAG report. Based on the CAG report, the big stalwarts like Kannimazhi Raja went behind bars. So the CAG report is exposing the corruption in the health department of Goa, where more than 200 crore rupees was misused. And recently I filed one interlocutory application in the Supreme Court, wherein Prime Minister Care Fund 55 crore rupees was allotted to the Goa government to purchase ventilators. Goa government purchased 200 ventilators out of 55 crore rupees. When Prime Minister purchased 2 lakh rupees per ventilator at Delhi, our Health Minister Vishwajit Rane purchased 8,50,000 rupees per ventilator for 200 ventilators. The actual cost of the ventilator is only 2 lakhs, but he purchased for 8,50,000 rupees. So each ventilator he pocketed 6,50,000 rupees. So I filed an interlocutory application in the Supreme Court asking for a CBI inquiry into this matter. To counter this action, yesterday he sent some of his people here in the dialysis unit and asking me to vacate immediately this dialysis center, which we are running for last 18 years with nil mortality, 60 patients undergoing dialysis without any hazards. He is asking me to vacate immediately. If I get anything in writing, I will take it to the Supreme Court now, and I will ask for an immediate hearing of the matter, including the ventilator purchase and everything.